Well, hi there. Anyway, we're just getting prepped. I've got Ricardo and I've got Adam here, and they're going to help me lower the car down onto the engine and transmission, and we're going to put the engine and transmission bolts on. I'm going to just show you what was going on here. So I've got my link pipe in, which, because I broke the transmission lines, I've got that in there for now, and I'm going to fix that on another video. But anyway, Ricardo's going to zip tie that up, 'cause that's like the, I think it's for the jump start in the car. Yeah, so it's the main power feed. So he's going to have that up because that has to be upright. I've got my exhausts all tightened up. I've checked everything there. I've got the O2 sensor plugged in. Adam's going to be checking stuff as well. So when we lower it down, this is my main power fit. This is the main harness. This goes to the control unit for the engine. Isn't that absolutely wonderful that you can just disconnect the all the electrical plugs? Didn't have to cut any wires, nothing. Very good. So that's it. We're gonna lower the car down. All right? You ready?
Yeah, almost. Is it tight, bro?
Just as long as it's. Is it working?
Yeah.
That's it. That'll work. That's all you need. Right, you guys get on it. Well, I have Ricardo on one side and Adam on the other. There's a transmission shifter cable that needs to be, you need to keep an eye on. At the back of the engine here, this one. Alright, I don't think it's going to hurt nothing. I do apologise for the bad light. Is everything looking okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. Have a good look round, people. Okay. Keep that up there. All right then. So, right, I'm going to let it down a bit more then, yeah? That sounded like the transmission cable.
Does it go to me?
That's all right. Well, that transmission cable must be correct. That's where it goes on the two bolts there. All right? Okay then.
So my side is safe.
Right, if you think 100% your side's safe, you help Adam then.
Oh, go up.
Is anything damaged?
No. Only.
Good. You caught that in time. Very good, Ricardo. Very good there, mate. All right. So Adam, scan like your Terminator, yeah? All right. We don't want anything getting damaged. It's going to cost me. Ready?
There's a cable in the back there.
That's, yeah, it's okay. What is that? It's just water in it. Where is that?
Do you find it?
Don't know. Yeah, oh, you found it, great, that's good. What's going on down there? Is it just a hose, a rubber hose?
Yeah.
That's alright, because that goes on there.
Ah.
Right? Now I already went up on the lift, so that means I've got to release the locks. Right, pull the cable your side. On the lift. There you go. That's the right noise. Okay, you tell me what you want to do, you two.
Yeah, right. Can't go down yet. Right.
Looking alright, really, isn't it? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, it's getting close here.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Will it fit?
It's got to, isn't it? That's how it was when it came out.
The engine has to go a bit in front. Because
Yeah,
the
I
holes
think-
don't align.
Yeah, you need to drag it a bit out.
I wonder how that moved.
Oops. So now you have to align these holes up here. I have it.
Wow.
Can we just pull on the wooden board?
I don't know how that moved, but it did, didn't it? I don't know what we can do. Okay.
The camera just went off.